Hey guys, it's Raven. Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind this little power box, utility box. Is that what it's called? What is this thing called? Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing today is actually a galaxy look. I've never done a galaxy look before, so this should be interesting. I watched a couple of tutorials beforehand and it looks like people are just taking the biggest makeup brushes that they have and just buffing a bunch of shit on their face. Challenge accepted. This video is actually a collaboration with my girl Vibrant Alexis. You can check out her page. I'm gonna drop the link down below. She's a super cute, super dope makeup artist. And brown girls, we gotta stick together, so make sure that you check her out. I'm gonna replace this wig one of these days, but for now, you're gonna continue to get Hollywood trash realness. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like beauty videos or if you like funny shit, please make sure that you hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop when your girl uploads a new video. All right, let's get started. Alright, so for this tutorial, I really had no idea where this was going. I have never done a galaxy look before, and I don't really do creative looks like this, so I watched a few tutorials, saw some pictures, and was like, wing it! But basically what I'm doing is taking like a grape colored eyeshadow. I'm using, like I said, the one from the Huda Beauty palette, but it's not the darkest purple one, but kind of like that berry color, if that's what you're using also. I wish that I had something that was a little bit more pigmented maybe for this look. Child. But yeah, I'm just using that like I would a normal contour. For whatever reason, I decided to contour my nose with the same eyeshadow. I guess I just felt like it still needed to be ultra snatched, but this was kind of pointless. But whatever, we're already here, so. Now I'm using the deepest shade from that palette. You can use any like deep plum eyeshadow that you have. You know what, I'm not even gonna tell you what you can use because I'm sure a damn doll could do better than how this turned out. But anyway, I'm just using that in the hollows of my cheeks, just defining my contour. I believe at this point I was putting that pinkish shade underneath my eyes. Girl, I don't even know. Look, I done got lost in this tutorial. Oh, somebody help me. From here on out, I'm not really gonna say too much because basically I'm just playing around with color and placement, trying to get a feel for everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let the instrumental play. If you are still here, thanks for making it this far because I know what you're thinking, sis. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and blend her out. So just don't trip, I got it. This is so old school. MAC Reflex Teal Pigment. Glitter, something or other. But I still really like it. Shoot, do they even make this anymore? It's so old. I should be embarrassed to even pull it out. But but it's nice. Like I said, I still like it for sparkly looks. I'm using Halloween paint from, I think you pronounce it maroon, but it's just the white face paint, using an eyeliner brush to create my little constellations and stars. Oh, Chile. Okay, so this is where it got really real. So I thought it would be a good idea. And you know how people like use that little flicker brush to make faux freckles? Girl, I thought I could do the same thing with this paint. And then I try to stamp it on, and as you can see, I know, sis. I know. You won't know unless you try. So now I am trying my hardest to blend this out. Girl, look at her struggling. Look at her. Okay, we're finally getting her together. Somewhat. Just a little bit. Okay, girl, so the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quit playing with y'all, and I'm just detailing, and I should have did this before I had this paint on. Oh, sis. The disappointment is so real. Shout out to all the makeup artists who are crazy talented and can handle these looks. So give this video a thumbs up. I'm out, y'all. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.